Welcome to my channel. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please send us your questions through comment box or WhatsApp number, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my videos. Are Aries woman Aries man a good match sexually, mentally and emotionally? The fiery passion in this Aries compatibility can be explosive, but watch out when things cool down. This is one passionate and wild love match. An independent Aries, both a man and a woman, have trouble letting someone else take control. Sparks may fly outside the bedroom, and not the good kind. Overall, this is quite a happening and passionate relationship with excellent Aries woman Aries man compatibility. Aries woman and Aries man compatibility. Pros in the Aries woman and Aries man friendship. Both men and women of this zodiac sign are strong and dominating, which means they both understand each other and struggle against each other's wills. The man especially is used to taking the reins when it comes to a love relationship. A smart Aries female will always try to find ways to let him think he has the upper hand, all the while trying to assert her control over the situation. But if the Aries man in love discovers this dynamic, he may lock horns with the Aries woman to gain true dominance. Ruled by the planet Mars, the couple can find themselves at war with each other over the slightest infraction. When the Aries woman and Aries man are dating, if they can find a balance in their relationship, allowing the man to win sometimes and the woman to win others, the reward is extremely satisfying. Both men and women under this sun sign are hot lovers and compatible with each other, and when the two join together, there aren't just fireworks. It's more like a raging bonfire, and they will challenge each other to add as many logs to the pile as they can. The one thing to remember is that Aries woman in love can be a selfish lover, always looking for what will make them the happiest. Both the Aries man and woman in bed will have to make an effort to focus on their lover once in a while to keep the sexually passionate fire going. It is just as important to the Aries woman Aries man soulmates continue the excitement outside the bedroom as well. The Aries male sexually loves a challenge, and his counterpart the Aries woman sexually will always be along for the same rush. Outings with these two are never dull, and they naturally feed into the needs of the other. They understand the desire for new and thrilling experiences, and they deliver on a regular basis. And while they enjoy doing things together, they also enjoy spending time apart to maintain that sense of independence. This should be fine, as long as they are not spending copious amounts of time with someone of the opposite sex. Read more about dating an Aries man and dating an Aries woman.